Today, I'm going to show you how to make this origami penguin in 8 easy steps. Now that you have your paper, the first thing you're going to want to do is have it color side up, and then in this little diamond shape, you want to fold it in half and make a triangle. Once you've made your triangle, you're going to want to fold the ends inwards, but have them be off-centered and slightly towards the bottom. Make sure the tip of the paper touches the edge. Then you're going to want to open up the paper and fold the other edge in to meet the original edge you had already made. Once you did that, you want to crease it. Now that you have this, you're going to want to fold the top downwards so that you have a little bit of the corner poking through. Once you have that, you flip it over and fold this bottom corner up, and you want to leave a little bit of this gap here. You want to make sure that the tip is aligned with the crease that you have in the middle. And then you want to fold it. You want to grab this half. You want to fold it back over. Try folding it along the original crease that you had made earlier. You want to pull his head forward until it makes about a 90, so it has about a 90-degree angle here. Now you have this 90-degree angle, you want to crease the top. Now you have your penguin. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe. If you're interested in finding out how to make this cute origami bunny, you can click here. And if you want to see another video that YouTube recommends for you, click right here. Thanks for watching.